also known as D. Smith. I'm a Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. So today I'm going to be doing the whole TimeWise set. I think the last video I used a few different items, but I want to do the whole set so you all can see how to do the entire routine with the set as it comes. You don't have to buy the set. You can mix and match, create your own set. This is just it's kind of convenient. It all comes in here together. Oh, let me say what comes in here. So you get your cleanser, you get your day cream, you get your night cream, and you get an eye cream. So this is just skincare. There's no makeup in here. This is just the skincare set. And we're also gonna go through, it's Monday, so I'm gonna do my microdermabrasions. I try to do this twice a week. So I'm gonna do it today. And we are also gonna be using the oil-free eye makeup remover. Why are you using oil-free eye makeup remover in the morning? Because I just wanna clean the dead skin off my eyes. So as you can see, this is our oil-free eye makeup remover. This is the first thing I'm gonna use. And as you can see, it is two-part. So once you shake it to activate it, and you're gonna use a cotton round, you're just gonna put a little bit on here. Of course, this is for eye makeup, but also for cleaning the skin around your eyes. So I'm just gonna hold it there for a few seconds. And you don't wanna drag, you just wanna get that really clean. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip to the other side and do the other eye. Hold it for a few seconds. You wanna be really gentle with your eyes, okay? You only get one pair of eyes. Okay, so eye area clean. Like I said, it's oil-free eye makeup remover. So if you wear contacts, this is safe to use on your eyes. So my eyes always water when I do my eye cleaning, but it's just easily. Oh, so we have cleansed our eyes. Next, we are going to use our 4-in-1 cleanser. That is what we'll be using first. So you want to always wet your face first when you're cleansing. You do not want to put cleanser on top of a dry face. So, and you don't want to use a lot. That is all I'm using. If you have to use more than that, you need a new cleanser. But you just want to put some on your face, rub it around, get it evenly everywhere. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna rinse my hands a little bit. And next we are going to cleanse the face. So I use a brush. So this is our Skinvigorate brush. I love that this pops off. So I'm going to cleanse my face. Now, if you're using a towel or your hand, your skin is not getting as clean. And I am barely touching, like I'm not pressing at all. And it is doing its own thing. You shouldn't have to press. The brush does the work for you. And we are just going to get this really, really clean. Okay. Okay. And we will cleanse. And what will happen is it'll cut off on its own. Okay. After 60 seconds, it'll cut off. So I'm guessing it hasn't been 60 seconds yet. But it does cut off. Yep, see, it's done. Look at all that dirt. I don't know if you can see it, but I cleanse my face every night, but your face still has dirt on it. So if you're not cleansing your face in the morning, what are you doing? So what I'm gonna do now is, like I said, we're gonna be using the microdermabrasions. So I'm gonna put this right on top of my cleanser because we're just doing a deep cleanse. You don't, again, you never need a lot. Okay, put it right on top and you rub this in and it has those beads, those crystallized beads in there, and it is going to give your skin a deep clean. It's getting down in those pores. So if you've ever had a professional microdermabrasion, that's when they use the machine to get all that dirt out. But this does that, and you don't have to pay an arm and a leg, and it lasts you a while versus you having to go once a month paying $100 and something. You buy this set and you use it twice a week. Lasts you a couple months. So I'm just making sure I get all in those cheeks, because that's, you know, my area where I get most of my breakouts. So I want to get that deep cleanse down in there and my nose. And it's doing the work. You'll feel the beads as you're doing this. Okay. You always want to go in a circular motion up. You don't want to drag your skin down. Okay. Now we're going to rinse it off. You want to make sure you rinse this off because you want all those beads off of your face. So give me a second. That takes a little bit longer than my normal rinse because we want to get that microdermabrasion off. I like to use a napkin to dry my face, just to keep from transferring germs. You think your towels are clean, they still have germs on them. So I like to use, some people have cloths, like little facial cloths, and some people like to use a napkin. Some people like to air dry. That's good too. So that is done. So now that we have done the microdermabrasion on our skin, we want to close those pores back up with our Pore Minimizer. Now, you only want to use the microdermabrasions twice a week, but you can use this every day to minimize your pores. So we are going to put some Pore Minimizer on. Okay. We're just gonna massage it in. And that's gonna close those pores back up because those beads got down in there, cleaned them out, and we want to seal those back up. So that is the Pore Minimizer. Look, my little thing said it's ready to come off, honey. So that is our Pore Minimizer that we just put on. And the next thing I'm going to put on is my Vitamin C plus E Serum. Now this is helping me so much. These were a lot darker. So it's already, I've been using it for, it tells you kind of how long you've been using it. It has a little guide on the side. So I've been using it for 2 weeks now. I'm on week 2. And we are gonna get rid of these dark spots no matter what. I bruise. I don't have to pop the bump. It's gonna leave a mark every time. Like there's nothing I do that, so whatever. So that's why I'm so happy I have this. And I'm just going to put this on my skin to help with those dark spots. And of course it helps to even your skin tone. It gives you that vitamin C and that vitamin E. It makes your skin stay bright and healthy. And I definitely can tell the difference in my skin because it's kind of starting to all be the same color now. So I know some of it was dark here, light there, but this has definitely helped even out that skin tone. And it feels so good. It makes your skin so soft. And the last step I'm going to do, well, sort of the last, but it's daytime. So like I said, it comes with a day cream and a night cream. I'm only going to be using the day cream. It does TimeWise has SPF in it, so you want to make sure that your skin is protected from the sun, from your computer screen, from your phone screen. This day cream is going to help keep your skin protected. So I'm going to be using a little day cream. And when I say a little, you do not need a lot. This stuff is good. So let me show you. That's all I'm gonna use. You should not be putting lotion on your face. You should be using a moisturizer that is specifically for your face. This might be too much, honestly. I'm so serious. You don't have to use that much. And I just like to massage it in. I'm serious, this is probably too much. You don't need that much. I think I pressed a little too hard, but I'm gonna rub it all in anyway. Put some on my neck. If you put too much on your hand, just put it somewhere else. That's what I do. Okay. And there is the day cream. So now that we have applied the day cream, the last step is going to be our eye cream. Please make sure you are using a eye cream on your eye area. Again, this is gonna help with puffiness, dark circles around your eyes, and it's gonna keep you from wrinkling, or if you're already starting to have wrinkles, it's gonna help smoothen those wrinkles out. So we're going to use a little bit of eye cream. Now when you're putting eye cream on, first of all, you don't need a lot. Second of all, you want to use your ring finger and you're just going to kiss them together if you're good like that. But you're just going to tap around the eye, and we want to get the brow bone. So why we're not putting it directly on the eye is this is going to move up into the eye area. So that's why you want to put it right on that bone, and it's going to do the work itself. You don't have to do the work. It's gonna do the work, okay? There. So we're just gonna put it around the eye, and it's going to, throughout the day, go up and moisturize the eye area, okay? And that's that. Of course, one more step, lips. So I'm working from home. Nobody's gonna see me. So we are just gonna put on some Satin Lips Lip Balm. Of course, it comes with a scrub as well to get that dead skin off your lips, but mine's is good today. Oh Lord, what was that? Probably some more cream on the fingers. But this is the Satin Lips Lip Balm. It comes with the scrub. It's somewhere around here, but it comes with the Sugar Shea Scrub that cleanses and cleans that dead skin off your lips. And you put this on throughout the day to keep your lips moisturized. You do not have to put this on 50,000 times a day. Put it on, minus putting your mask on. You really shouldn't have to just keep putting this on because they made this with some good technology and it keeps my lips moisturized. I maybe put it on 3 times a day because it stays moisturized. So that is the end of the session. So what did we use today? Oh Lord, my counter. And I'm gonna put this all in my roll-up bag. But anyway, we used our Microdermabrasion with our TimeWise cleansing set. So we cleansed our face, moisturized with Microdermabrasion to get deep clean. And I used the Vitamin C plus E serum that helps even your skin tone, and it helps with the dark spots, which as you can see, I am dealing with right now, and they are going away. And we used our handy dandy Skinvigorate brush. You do not have to necessarily get the TimeWise set. You can mix and match like I do. I have the Naturally Oil from the Natural Skincare set. I have the Intense Moisturizing Cream. I mean, it's just, I have the Firming Eye Cream. It's just whatever, however you want to mix it up and match it up. You customize the skincare set that is gonna best fit you. So if you want a consultation, if you want to message me so we can go into detail about what's good for your skin, send me a message. Other than that, have a fabulous Monday and a fabulous week. And thank you for watching. See ya.